Hi, today we're going to be looking at podcasting with Audacity. The first thing you need to do is go to the Audacity page and go into the Downloads tab. And here on the left side you'll see Windows version. So you'll go ahead and click on that, follow the instructions, save it to your computer. Once you've done that, you will get this type of device. You'll see it here, either on your program files or your desktop. So of course you need to always remember where you save things to. Once you've got that downloaded and you've got this device, the next thing you want to do is go to, on the left side in the menu here, you'll see a link called Plugins and Libraries. So once you click on that, you'll be taken to this page here. Okay, Plugins and Libraries. If you look down to the bottom, under Libraries, you'll see something here about the LAME encoder. So you'll click on that. Then you'll be taken to a download page that looks something like this. Again, you'll go ahead and download this. You'll follow the instructions. And again, like the Audacity, you'll have a device like this, either on your desktop or on your computer. So now you've got your two installers. By the way, you can either have your students go to these pages and download themselves, or I think probably a faster step and would just save a lot of time is just to email them the installers. As you see, this is quite small, 2.1 meg. The LAME encoder is just 400 kilobytes. So they're quite small and they're easily emailed. And I think that's probably the easiest way to get these to your students, is just to create a folder called podcasting, save these installers, and then when you want to do the activity with your students, just email it to them ahead of time. So now that you and your students have got this on their computers, you basically just go ahead and install it. We'll say next. I accept. Yes. Yes. It'll create a folder in program files in your C drive called Audacity. Now I'm getting a message here saying, would you like to replace it? I'm going to say yes. The reason, of course, is because I already have this on my computer. You will not get this message. You will get this. Create a desktop icon. Let's keep that for now because we can always delete it later. We'll say next and then install. Launch Audacity. We say yes. Okay, and there it is. You see how simple that was. That is your Audacity voice recorder. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is we're going to go ahead and test this. And what you do is you just simply click on the red button, speak, and then pause it, stop it with the yellow square. So we'll go ahead and test it. So for example, this is a test of Audacity, test 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to stop it. Okay. Now go over here to, on the left top hand corner, to File. Okay, and the drop down box will go Export as MP3. So we'll just give this a number. I'll just call this 11, and we'll save it to desktop for right now. Okay. Now you're going to get this message which says, do you want to locate the LAME encoder? So you're going to say yes to that. This is, by the way, you only have to do this one time. This doesn't occur each time. This is just the initial installation. This LAME encoder has to be matched up with the Audacity. So we're going to say yes. And then I have to locate it. And if you remember, it was in the C program files. So I'm going to go to my C drive, and there's my program files. And if I look over here, I should be able to find it, and there it is. Yeah, LAME for Audacity. So I'll say yes. There's the device itself. I'll say open. Okay, that basically means we're successful. When you get this, it means that we're continuing with the process of saving your clip. So I am just again going to give it a very simple title right now. I'll say OK. And there it is. That's my clip. So if I play that, I will get the the small testing sound that we just got. So that's it. That's Audacity. That's the first step. You need to install this. You need to install the LAME encoder, then run a test. Just put it on your desktop, and you should get a small MP3 clip. And I know that's an MP3 clip. If I just check the properties, okay, this is